Hey guys, Meggie here from the Mediterranean Kitchenette, and today we're making a super easy and healthy Mediterranean style salad. It's made with pomegranate, red lentils, and corn salad. Delicious! So we're gonna need half a cup of jasmine rice or bulgur or couscous, whatever you guys like, boiled with a pinch of salt. Half a cup of red lentils, cooked for 5 minutes with a pinch of salt as well. 100 grams of corn salad, also known as lamb's lettuce. Freshly squeezed juice of 1/4 of a lemon. 1/4 of a teaspoon of salt, 2 tablespoons of walnuts, and half a cup of pomegranate seeds. Alright, so first thing we want to do is to cut that corn salad into a bit smaller pieces. And now we're gonna add the rice and the lentils. And now we're just going to combine it nicely, and it's time to add the pomegranate seeds. They're so beautiful. Now let's go ahead and add those walnuts, and it's a good idea to cut them into smaller pieces. And guys, leave some walnuts for the end so we can use them to garnish our salad. We would love to hear from you. Please leave your comments below. Thank you so much, guys, and all the best from Meggie and Eva from Athens, Greece. And time to add some freshly squeezed lemon juice and a pinch of salt. And let's just combine it all together, and if we have some walnuts left, we can even decorate our salad with those. And guys, you can serve this salad with some sardines like we did the other day. It was a lovely combination of the mild flavor of that salad along with the saltiness of those sardines. And guys, we really hope you enjoyed that salad, and please let us know if that was the case. And of course, we have more Mediterranean diet salad recipes for you. So of course, I'm gonna link those in the description below. And on our blog, which is called The Bright Side of Life, you can find so many delicious, healthy, and easy Mediterranean diet recipes, so feel free to check it out as well. Thank you so much for being here, for your support. If you fancy, subscribe for more, and thank you so much, guys, and I see you the next time.